How to recover deleted contacts on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips. I'm opening the contacts on my phone. I have deleted all my contacts. To recover all of them, go to Settings. At the top, tap on your Apple ID. Then tap on iCloud. Now tap on See All from Save to iCloud. Scroll down a little. You can see contacts. Now turn on this toggle. Go back to the contacts. See, all the contacts are recovered. Here is the another methods if you want to recover your contacts from a Gmail account. Go to the settings again. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Then open mail from this list. Tap on mail accounts. Now tap on add account to add your Gmail account on your phone. I have already added a Gmail account. Tap on it. Now turn on the contacts toggle. All the contacts on this Gmail will be added on your iPhone. And that's it.